This afternoon we are making bannock. And I am going to put my hairnet on first so the hair don't go into. Here's my bannock pan. We're going to make bannock this afternoon, me and my titty bear. But I got to get my flour. This bannock is not going to turn out. Like I said, I don't measure nothing. I just put my flour in here. Just a little bit of flour. Because we're not making much bannock today. And here's where I'm going to put my bannock. My sweet biscuit. Sitting there. Oh, alright. I'm digging for my lard. I need some lard. And I am going to put my lard in the microwave. Get that lard soft. Now I get my baking powder, but I do not like this baking powder. To make good bannock, you need blue ribbon, not this magic. No. Like I said, I do not measure nothing. I need some salt. Some salt. Then I mix that up. I mix this up. Make sure you mix it up right because the baking powder sometimes tastes bitter on your bannock once it's done. Mix it really, really good. I don't know what kind of bannock we're going to make with this magic baking powder. That is not the good baking powder. My oil here, my lard. That's why I'm doing this, because if it gets hot, then it burns the baking powder when you pour it into the mix. So it's gotta be, it's got to be. Oh! I got no milk. Usually I use milk. No, I don't know, I got no milk, so I don't know what we're gonna do here. Guess I gotta use some water, and I never use water on my bannock. We'll see what's gonna happen. We will see. You gotta make sure your water is not hot because it's gonna burn the bannock. You are making fun of me, but that's okay. We gotta make this bannock. We gotta have it. That's okay. Oh well, I'm not making a whole batch of bannock. I'm just making a little bannock here. I don't know about this. Don't know about this. This is not going to be good. But we'll see what happens. We're mixing it up, stirring it up. Okay, what do you want me to make? Biscuit, round ones, or just a big slab of bannock?
Big slab of bannock.
Do I make a big slab you want?
Well, maybe biscuits.
Whatever.
Biscuits.
I'll make a big slab.
Okay.
It's faster. I'll just make a big slab of bannock here. You'll be able to make this bannock, my girl, because you're good at making bread. You'll know how to fix it. I don't know about this bannock, my girl. Like I said, I don't like that baking powder. Flip it over. Make sure it's hold on over here. You're funny. Where's my bannock pan? My bannock pan. Then you fork it. You do this so your bannock